Hi guys, it's Laura from the studio again. And today we're gonna do noses. I got 4 different ones. I got this one is a side angle, this one's the front view, this one's is another side angle, and this is another front view. They're all different, which is why I like them a lot because you get to learn different shapes, different sizes. So for this one, we're gonna look at the basic shapes of this nose. So we see 2 parts, which is a bigger part and then a smaller part. So when we do this one, we're gonna do one circle and a smaller circle. And right here where they meet is usually where the nostril is. And then from here, you kind of follow the circles, the shapes of it. Going around this. There's a dent here, you see how it goes in a bit and then it goes over and it goes in. That's what we're gonna do too. It all depends, each nose is different, but in this case, we're just gonna copy what we see. Just like that. I'm using a 2B by the way. That's just my standard pencil. You could use different pencils, not more than a 4B because then it gets a little too dark. But this is just the one that I'm gonna use because it's pretty simple. There's not a lot of shading. A lot of it's just simple cross hatching. So now that we have our basic shape, that's when we start doing these shadings. Right here, this cross hatching. So here in the inner corner, there's a bit of cross hatching, and cross hatching is basically this motion. Really quick strokes. You could cross it. I don't like crossing it a lot of the time. Sometimes I do. But that's up to you. It's a preference. I'll be going over here a little bit. A lot over here under the nose is usually where you see a lot of the shading. And under here as well. And this is basically how you do your first nose. It's really simple. So for the second one, we're doing the front view, and it's a little different. There's 3 circles. So here we had our 1, 2. This one has 3. The middle one is the biggest, and then you have your 2 on the side. So when we do this, we'll do a big one. 2 on the side like this. Just like the last one, where the 2 circles meet is where the nostrils are. We're gonna follow the circles. Here we're gonna go a little higher instead of where it says, and same for this one, we're gonna go a little higher. And for here, this circle, I'm making another one. First I'm gonna erase the inner ones, the 3 that we made, so we don't get confused. We're gonna make a circle here, and this is basically to help us to see where we're gonna shade. So we're not gonna shade inside the circle. So around it we are. So I'm gonna go around the circle. Just like that. And then I'm gonna go a little lighter, but I'm gonna go up. You can even do a line to guide you all the way up to the temple. Same for here, we're gonna do a little shading. And then a little corner here, and then we're gonna go all the way up. And you could grab your eraser, erase any excess lines that you don't really need. And there you have it, your nose. You could do a little philtrum here. Philtrum is just that little dent under your nose. You could feel it, sometimes you could see it, it's very delicate, you know, smooth, so you might not even see it. The next one, we're gonna do a side view, and it's to the left. And same as the last one we did, we're gonna do big circle, small circle, but it's looking to the left instead of the right. And this one, there's a difference. This one has like a bit of a strong structure. This is a bit more smooth. It could be looked at as a younger nose, like a kid has a smaller nose. And as an adult nose, it's a lot more formed, there's a lot more curves in it, so that's how you could differentiate which nose from which. So we'll start with this one, which is a big circle, small circle, same as last time. And here it's a little different, because here the nostrils are bigger and there was a point. This one is all curves, so what we're gonna do is just do like a little line here, and then follow the curve. And then start from the bottom. You see this little part of the circle. We're gonna go all the way over here. And then from here, we're gonna curve right up and slowly go up, just like that. From here, we're gonna do the cross hatching. And do some on the bottom, a bit over here, in the corner, also over here. And then could also do a philtrum. Probably doing the part of the lip. And that's pretty much it. For the next one, we have another front view. It's different because here it's more like you barely see the nostrils. The nose is tilted up in this one, so it's a different angle. So we're gonna be doing that. So big circle, small circles on the side like last time. Right where the circles meet is where we do our nostrils. We're gonna connect that using the circle on the bottom to help us. We're gonna use our side circles to guide us to do our nostril. And then after that, now that we have our shape, we're gonna do the middle part. So the same thing as we did with this one, where we did a circle so it could help us where we would shade. We're gonna do the same thing here. So I'm gonna erase the lines. Do a circle here, and then anything outside that circle we want to shade. So my paper's moving. There we go. Just like that. It's quick strokes right around that circle. So that's what we're looking for. And then once you have that, we're gonna go ahead and do a line up here. This is just so that we avoid the middle of the nose because we don't want to shade there. That's where the light is hitting. So the light hits right here, which is why we're keeping it white. And then same for here. Very lightly. You could go a little darker. This is where I'm going to cross it a bit, so it's darker in the tip. And there you go, you have your nose. So we did our side view to the right, the middle, side view to the left, and our middle again. Could also add a philtrum if you want. And that's how you do a nose. Thank you for watching.